Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to quickly build a complete login and registration system in Laravel 13 using Laravel Breeze, all in under 8 minutes. We'll go step by step so you can easily follow along. By the end, you have a fully working authentication system. Let's get started. First, go to the folder where you want to install your Laravel app and open your terminal. Before moving ahead, make sure you're running PHP 8.3 or higher since it's required for Laravel 13. Also, ensure your Laravel installer is version 5.24.7 or later. Use the command php-v to check your PHP version and Laravel-version to check your Laravel installer version. In your terminal, type the command Laravel new your project name and press enter. You will see a prompt asking which starter kit you want to install. Since we won't be using any starter kit in this tutorial, type none and press enter to continue. For testing framework, type 0 for pest and press enter. For Laravel Boost, type no and press enter. This might take a few moments to install depending on your internet speed, so just wait until the process completes. Next, type MySQL for the database and press enter, since we will be using MySQL in this tutorial. For database migration, type no and press enter. This might take a few moments to install depending on your internet speed, so just wait until the process completes. For npm install and npm run build, type yes and press enter. The download is complete. Now, type cd your project name to navigate to the project directory. Open your project in Visual Studio Code. Now, we need to set up the database. Open .env file. From the database configuration, copy the database name. Go to phpMyAdmin, click on New, paste the database name, and then click Create to set up the database. The database has been created. Now, we need to migrate the database. Go back to Visual Studio Code. Open your terminal and type the command php artisan migrate to migrate the database. The database has been migrated. Now, let's run our app. Type the command composer run dev and press enter. This command will start both the white server and the Laravel development server. Go to your browser and navigate to localhost 8000 and you should see the Laravel 13 welcome page. Next, we're going to install and configure Laravel Breeze. Here, I have opened the Laravel 13 documentation under the starter kit section. However, if you scroll down, you won't see Laravel Breeze mentioned here, because the documentation now focuses on newer starter kits. If you want to check the Laravel Breeze documentation, just click here and switch to Laravel 11.x. Here, you can see the documentation for Laravel Breeze. First, we need to install Laravel Breeze using the following composer command. Click here to copy this command. Click here and select Command Prompt to open a new command prompt. Paste the command you copied and press enter. Laravel Breeze has been installed. Now, we need to run the breeze :install command to set up the front-end scaffolding and testing framework. Copy this command. First, type cls to clear the terminal. Now, paste the command you copied and press enter. You will see a prompt asking, which Breeze stack would you like to install? For this tutorial, we will use Blade with Alpine. Type Blade and press enter. For dark mode support, type yes and press enter. For testing framework, type 0 for pest and press enter. The Blade front-end stack is now ready. Next, type PHP artisan migrate to migrate the database. Now, let's run npm install to install all the necessary front-end packages. Next, we need to compile the front-end assets. Open the terminal where the server is running. Press Ctrl+C to stop the server, then type Y and press enter. Now type the command composer run dev to run our app. Go back to your app, and you should now see the login and register links on the Laravel 13 welcome page. Click on register link to go to the registration page. Enter your name, email, password, and confirm the password. Then click on register, and you will be redirected to the dashboard page. Click here, and from the drop-down, select Profile to open the profile page. Edit your name and click Save to update your name. You can see that the name has been updated. Now, update your email and click Save to update your email address. You can see the email has been updated as well. Next, let's update the password. Type in your current password, then your new password, and confirm it. After that, click Save to change your password. The password has been updated. You can also delete your account by clicking the Delete Account button. Go to phpMyAdmin, select your database, and you'll see all the tables. Click on the Users table, and you should see the registered user. Now, let's delete our account. Click the Delete Account button, and a confirmation modal will appear. Here you can see the password field. Enter your password, then click Delete Account to permanently delete your account. Once it's deleted, you'll be redirected back to the welcome page. Click on Login to go to the login page. Enter your email and password, then click Login. You will see an error message saying, "These credentials do not match our records." Go back to phpMyAdmin and reload the page. You should now see that the user has been deleted from the users table. In this video, we successfully set up authentication in Laravel 13 using the Laravel Breeze package. You now have fully working login, registration, profile update, password management, logout, and account deletion functionality ready to use in your app. If you want to see Laravel 13 authentication with Bootstrap using Laravel UI, click the video on the left. And for a modern Livewire 4 CRUD tutorial, click the video on the right. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Feel free to drop any questions or comments below, and I'll be happy to help. I will see you in next tutorial. Till then, stay safe.